Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Hey everyone! Today, we're going on an amazing English learning journey across America. We'll visit beautiful places, meet people, and speak natural English in real-life situations. So buckle up, because this is a day in the USA. Times Square, New York. Wow! Look at these lights! They're everywhere!
Yeah, Times Square never sleeps.
It's so bright, even in the daytime.
Let's take a picture near that red staircase.
Great idea! This photo is perfect!
Let's post it with Learning English in Times Square.
I love that caption. You know, I'm learning so much just by talking here.
That's the secret. Real English comes from real moments.
At a coffee shop. Hi, could I get one cappuccino, please? Sure. Would you like sugar with that? Just a little, thank you.
And I'll have a latte, please.
Coming right up. This place smells amazing.
Yeah, it's cozy. The vibe is perfect.
I love small coffee shops like this.
Same here.
Mall of America. Wow, this mall is enormous.
Yeah, it's one of the biggest in the world.
I don't even know where to start.
Let's begin with that fashion store.
Perfect. I need a new denim jacket.
And I need new sneakers.
Oh, these shoes look awesome.
Try them on.
Fits perfectly. I'll take them. Santa Monica Beach, California. This view is breathtaking.
Totally. The ocean looks endless.
I could stay here forever.
Let's walk by the water.
Sure. Oh, the sand feels warm.
That's California for you.
Do you surf?
Sometimes you can say, "Do you surf?" It's casual and friendly.
At Central Park. Wow, this park looks amazing today.
Yeah, it's so green and peaceful. The weather's perfect.
I'm glad we came here instead of staying home.
Same here. The air feels fresh and it smells like spring.
Let's sit near the lake. I love the sound of water.
Great idea. I'll spread the blanket.
Thanks. I'll unpack the sandwiches.
And don't forget the juice.
Don't worry, I brought it this time.
Good. Last time you forgot and blamed me.
That's because you distracted me with your jokes.
Maybe. Anyway, this place is perfect for relaxing.
Yeah, I could stay here all afternoon.
Same here.
Hollywood Boulevard, Los Angeles. Oh, wow! This is the famous Hollywood Boulevard.
Yep, the Walk of Fame. Look, these are movie stars' names.
Oh, here's one I know. That's amazing.
Let's take a picture near that star.
Okay, say Hollywood.
Hollywood. Perfect shot.
This place feels like a dream.
Yeah, everything here looks larger than life.
You can say it feels unreal when something is too amazing.
Exactly. So, ready to grab lunch?
Totally. I'm starving. Lunch at Classic American Diner. Wow, this place is so cozy.
It's a real American diner. Red booths, neon lights, and burgers.
Hi, folks. What can I get you today? I'll have a cheeseburger and lemonade, please.
And a double burger with fries for me.
Coming right up. Sound of sizzling grill. Everything looks delicious.
I love this vibe, so vintage.
You can say, this place has a cool vibe.
Right.
Right. Ah, the burger's amazing. Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco. Oh, this bridge looks stunning.
Welcome to the Golden Gate Bridge, the icon of San Francisco.
The wind feels so fresh up here.
Yeah, it's perfect for photos.
Let's take a video. We're speaking English at the Golden Gate.
Hi everyone, learn English with real adventures.
That's perfect.
You can say, that's perfect when you like something completely.
Thanks. You know what? I could stand here all day.
Same here, but we've got a flight soon.
Oh, right. The airport next. Airport, goodbye. Feels like the trip went by so fast. Yeah, every place taught me something new.
You really improved your English through travel.
Thanks to you, Ryan, and to all the people we met.
That's what learning is, living it.
I'll miss this journey.
You can say, I'll miss it. Simple, natural, emotional.
I'll miss it a lot. And you guys, keep learning English naturally every day. Outro. Final message. What a beautiful day it's been.
We explored amazing places, New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and spoke real English everywhere.
Every conversation helps you grow.
And remember, English isn't just a language, it's a journey.
So keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Because every day
Can be your own day in the USA. And finally, like, share, subscribe.
Bye. Bye.